Hey guys, so I'm going to taking a small trip to. I'm going to be reviewing an HP printer today. I don't even know what type of printer it is. It's actually my dad's house. He just bought a printer. So once I get to the house, then I'll be able to tell you what type of printer it is. It's a standard printer. Ooh, today is bright. We're almost there. So here it is. It's an HP Envy 6055E. There we go. All right. And then give it a key action. I don't have my normal stand with me, so I gotta do one hand on the camera and one hand try to open this thing up. Okay, this looks like type of cartridge, black cartridge. Put that over there. Nice package. 1 second. Okay. Get all these boxes out of the way. Pretty sleek. There's a tray. Just turn it over to the back. Not bad. Make sure I keep it clean in here.